So if you read the last sentence of the word problem, it wants what the current value of the IRA is. So I can't quite see. It said it started off as 2,000. Oh, 215,669. And then it lost a third of its original value. So that means we need to multiply this. Well, you could do it like this. You could multiply it by 1/3. And that will tell you how much it lost, though. That won't tell you its new value. Okay? And a way to do this with a calculator is you could think of this as a 1 on the bottom and make that into a fraction. You can multiply straight across the top and straight across the denominator, straight across the bottom, in other words. Oops. So it gives you 215,669 up top and 3 on bottom. But a quicker way of doing these types of things is if you're trying to multiply something by 1/3, that means you divide it by 3. So 215,669 divided by 3 is what I'm going to punch in my calculator. So I got 71,889.6 repeating. That's what that bar on top of that 6 means. So that's how much it lost, because it said that's a third of 215,669. So it lost $71,889 of its original value. So what we need to do is take the original value, 215,669, and subtract a third of that value from it. I think it was 0.6 repeating. Yeah. Okay, so with the calculator, we got $143,779. So that's how much is left over after it lost a third of its value. Okay. So then it said it gained half of its new value back. So this is the new value, $143,779 and 0.3 repeating. We'll eventually convert that to cents. It gained half its new value back. So let's find out what half of it is. Remember that trick. If you're multiplying by 1/2, that just means you divide it by 2. If you multiply something by 1/3, you divide it by 3. If you multiply something by 1/4, you just need to divide the number by 4. So I'm going to take 143,779.3 repeating and divide it by 2. I got 71,889.6 repeating. So that's how much it gained back. So it lost a third of its value, and it became 143,779.3 repeating. But then it gained half of this value back. We found out half is 71,889.6 repeating. So if you add these two together, remember 0.3 repeating just means 0.33333. 0.6 repeating just means 0.666 repeating. So if you add these together in the calculator, you get 250,669. That's how much. Wait, is that how much it started with? That's how much it started with. That might be just a coincidence. Yeah, double check. That's the correct answer for this one. Okay, 215,669. If you take away a third of its value, and then if you add half of that new value back, it gets 215,669.